The castle was built in 1283 for King Edward I, built by Sir John de Bonvillers and Master James of St George. The castle is amongst the finest surviving medieval castles of its time. The cost of the building the castle was £5,800, equivalent to 15,000 to 18 million today. The town walls in the castle amounted to around £15,000 today.
The castle sits on a big rocky ridge made of grey sand and limestone. The carvings on the windows were brought from the Craven Peninsula, Chester and the Wirral. Conwy Castle was defended by 8 large towers. It also has 2 barbicanes, which are outposts and gateways that were used for defending the castle.
In 1401, 2 brothers, William ap Tudor and Bruce ap Tudor, sneaked into the castle by pretending to be carpenters, killing the guards and taking over the castle and town with the help of the Welsh rebels, and keeping control of the castle and town for 3 months. The brothers were pardoned by Henry IV when they negotiated their surrender.
In 1520 to 1530, some repairs were added to the castle and walls by Henry VIII. During 1627, the castle passed out of the royal ownership and purchased by Edward, 1st Baron Conwy, who was Secretary of State to the King, for £100. In the centuries that followed, the castle has attracted many artists to paint the castle ruins, with the likes of Thomas Girton, J.M.W. Turner and Moses Griffith for painting its beauty. Conwy Castle and the town walls are now in the care of Cadw.
Cafodd y castell ei adeiladu yn 1823 gan Sir John de Bonvillers a'r Master James o St George ar gyfer brenin Edward y Cyntaf. Mae'r castell ymhlith y castell canoloesol gorau o'i amser sydd wedi oroesi. Cost adeiladu castell oedd £5,800 sy'n cyfateb i 15 i 18 miliwn heddiw. Daeth waliau dref ar castell i gyfanswm o tua 15,000 sy'n cyfateb i 45 miliwn heddiw.
Mae'r castell yn sefyll ar gefn gregion fawr a wnaed o dywr llwyd a chalchfen. Daeth yr cefnion a'r ffenestri o ben yn Craven cael a chlywyddu. Cafodd castell Conwy ei amddiffyn gan y trwr mawr. Mae ganddo 2 rhagfyr sy'n ganolfannau allanol neu'n bwrdd a defnyddio i amddiffyn y castell.
Yn 1410, sleifiodd 2 frawd William ap Tudor a Rhys ap Tudor i mewn i castell drwy esgus eu bwyd yn seiri coed, gan ladd y gwarchodwyr a meddiannau'r castell a dref, gyda cymorth gwrthryfelwyr Cymreig a cadw rheolaeth ar gastell a'r dref am 3 mis. Cafodd brodyr Bardwn gan Harry y Pedwerydd pan gytunwyd iddynt ildio.
Yn 1520 i 1530, gwnaed rhywfaint o waith atgyweithiwr i'r castell a myrio gan Harry Wythfed.
Yn ystod 1627, daeth y castell allan o'r berchnogaeth brenhinol a chafodd ei prynu gan Edward, Barwyn cyntaf Conwy a oedd yn ysgrifennydd gwladol i'r brenin am 100 o bunnoedd.
Yn y canrifoedd dilynol, roedd y castell yn denu nifer o artistiaid i beintio'r adfad darlunadwy gyda phobl fel Thomas Girton, J.M.W. Turner a Moses Griffith. Yna peintio eu harddwch, mae Castell Conwy a muriau dref bellach ym Mhorfol Cadw.